Hi, it's Chris Cook from 3M Commercial Graphics here, and today we're going to talk about how to deal with rivets on, say, truck sides. Once you've applied the film over the rivets, you're probably then going to use something like a rivet brush to work the vinyl down around the head of the rivet so it's nice and conform to the surface. After you've done that, it's quite important that we actually slit the film around the head of the rivet to prevent it lifting. If you don't slit it, what tends to happen is you get tenting around the head of the rivet, as we can see there, where the film actually lifts off out of the angle and actually forms a tent down from the head of the rivet to the flat surface. Now if that happens, water and dirt can get in behind the film and actually cause it to continue to lift, and that unsupported film will become very delicate, and if the truck, if there's a branch or something that drags down the side of the truck, it will split the film at that point and the graphic will actually start to come off. By slitting the film around the head of the rivet, we isolate the rivet head from the rest of the panel, so that even if that little cap of vinyl does come off, the rest of the graphic is still secure and we're not going to have any problems with it. Problem is, slitting around the head of the rivet with a knife, it's a very slow and tedious process, but there is a way that you can actually make it a lot quicker and a lot easier. Okay, so rather than use the knife blade to trim around the rivet heads, what we're actually going to use is a hollow punch. You buy a set of these from hardware store or craft stores. They come in sets of different sizes. What we want to do is we want to choose one where the punch size actually quite neatly fits over the head of the rivet. And then what we're going to do is actually use that sharp edge and just work it in a circular motion around the head of the rivet to actually slit the film around the perimeter. It's going to give us our trim, and it's going to be very, very quick and easy. It's going to be neater and much faster than using the knife blade. So we place the punch over the head of the rivet and then move it in a circular pattern. Just once is enough, and it's actually slitting the film right around that. So we can actually, see, if we wanted to, we could actually peel that vinyl off the head of the rivet quite cleanly. Now obviously we probably don't want to do that on the actual vehicle, but it just sort of demonstrates that the punch has actually cleanly slit the film around the head of that rivet, and the remainder of the film down here is nice and secure on the flat surface. Now if you've got a truck that's got several hundred rivets on it, using this technique could actually save you quite a large amount of time during the application.